Here we're at an NT3X90AC tray. So usually shows you the label right there on the bay. You can see we have a fuse alarm down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that unit with the universal tray, and we'll show you how that gets done. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to remove the power. So again, this particular unit has the plug that's already attached. Just go in there. We'll remove the power from the bay, from the unit. Then what we want to do is take a 1/4-inch nut driver, and there's 4 screws at the bottom that we're going to be removing. On each side. Alright, once you removed all 4 screws and you have the plug unplugged, the unit will slide right out. It's a little different, you don't have to take off the side rails with this particular one. So that unit slides out. Again, the difference that we're providing here is that our tray is going to have a circuit board and not these mechanical sensors. So as you can see here, these are all jacked up. That's what breaks and gives you phantom alarms even when the fans are running. So now this particular tray, we have these 4 screw holes here that we're going to plug right in. Put right in that unit there, it slides right in. Finger threading. Now all you have to do is connect the plug there. All 5 fans are running. No alarms. One additional thing that you want to do here is that we included holes here, so when you have to put the cover back on with these little clips here, we're just going to transfer these clips onto the fan tray.